Hi, my name is Nancy Victor.
Welcome to VVO Money School, where we keep online money topics simple, real, and practical.
Stick around as Jeff breaks down the real reasons many people try hard but still don't make money online.
Let's get started with the awesome training.
13 reasons you are not making money online, even if you are trying hard. Many people are genuinely trying to make money online, yet they have little or nothing to show for it. They watch videos, they buy courses, they join groups, they stay up late learning. Still, results remain frustratingly absent. This leads to an important question. Why do some people struggle to make money online despite putting in real effort? From my experience as both a learner and an online business teacher, the problem is rarely laziness. More often, it is misdirected effort combined with hidden mistakes. In this video, I will share 13 major factors that may be holding you back from making money online even if you are trying hard. Factor 1. Skill gap. People spend years learning professions like medicine, engineering, or accounting. They also spend years learning trades like carpentry or masonry. But when it comes to making money online, many people expect instant results without learning any skills. The truth is simple. Making money online requires skills. If you want to earn online, you must learn at least one monetizable skill, such as writing, marketing, content creation, design, or digital sales. Anyone who tells you that you can make money online without learning or effort is misleading you. Factor 2. Chasing shortcuts instead of building skills. Many beginners jump from one method to another. Today it is crypto, tomorrow it is Forex, next week it is dropshipping, then affiliate marketing. They do not understand that the internet rewards skills, not desperation. Effort without skill is wasted energy. Sustainable income comes from learning, practicing, and applying valuable skills over time. Factor 3. Lack of clear direction and focus. Many people try to do everything at once. They blog, they run YouTube channels, they trade, they promote affiliate products. As a result, they never stay long enough in one path to see results. Online income rewards focus and consistency, not scattered effort. Choose one direction and stay with it long enough for it to work. Factor 4. Learning from the wrong sources. The internet is full of exaggerated success stories and fake lifestyle gurus. Many people learn from teachers who do not actually make money from what they teach. The right teachers are those who show real processes, explain challenges honestly, and avoid promises of overnight success. If someone says effort, skill, or patience is unnecessary, that is a warning sign. Factor 5. Information overload. Information overload happens when you consume too much content and take too little action. You watch videos, buy courses, and read blogs, but you rarely implement what you learn. This leads to confusion and inaction. Money responds to execution, not intention. Knowledge alone does not pay. Applied knowledge does. Factor 6. Procrastination. Procrastination is delaying what should be done now. It causes people to postpone learning skills, delay starting projects, and miss opportunities. Procrastination steals time. Time is one of your most valuable assets online. Start small, but start now. If you want more realistic guidance on making money online, like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel, and stay connected with VVO Money School. Factor 7. Fear of failure or fear of the unknown. Many people are afraid to try because they fear failure. Every idea looks risky. Every method looks like a scam. But failure is a teacher. If you never try, you will never know what works. Those who never fail never succeed. Factor 8. Greed. Some beginners ignore small income opportunities because they want big money instantly. They reject $1 a day while dreaming of $1,000 a day. The wiser path is to start small and grow gradually. Master small wins first, then scale. Factor 9. Impatience. Many people quit too early. Online success takes time. Skills need time to mature. Content needs time to grow. Trust needs time to build. Online success is often invisible before it becomes obvious. If you quit too early, you may never know how close you were. Factor 10. Wrong company. The people you listen to influence how you think. Some people discourage discipline, mock learning, and spread negativity. What you believe affects what you attempt. What you attempt affects your results. Choose your associations carefully. Factor 11. Indecision and lack of a system. Many beginners want to make money online but have no clear system. They rely on random effort. Random effort does not compound. Online income grows when effort is structured, repeatable, and intentional. Decide on a path and build a system around it. Factor 12. Lack of discipline. Discipline is the foundation of success. Without discipline, people become inconsistent. They procrastinate. They chase shiny objects. They quit easily. Online success rewards discipline more than motivation. Factor 13. Unrealistic goals. Goals are important, but unrealistic goals are dangerous. They create false expectations and lead to frustration. Focus on process-based goals, not just money goals. Daily actions build skills. Skills create income. Final thoughts. Many people fail online not because opportunities don't work, but because they don't stay focused, disciplined, and patient long enough. Clarity gives direction. Focus builds momentum. Consistency produces results. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe, and share it with someone who is trying to make money online. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Here at VVO Money School, we teach skills, systems, and discipline that work over time. Let me know in the comments which factor you struggle with the most. Reading your comments helps this channel grow and helps others learn from your experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more practical, honest, and step-by-step guidance on making money online without hype, fake promises, or shortcuts. Do also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next one.